Hey, so this video is going to be a lot different than my normal videos, but I'm still really sick, and it's gotten better, but I think I'm losing my voice, and it's about time that I make an appointment to see if something else is wrong. My throat still really hurts, and I can't stop coughing. So, I've been clearing my throat constantly, but it just makes it worse. So, hopefully, it's nothing serious, and hopefully, it'll go away by tomorrow morning. But I don't know if it will. I just really hope it's nothing bad. My throat is killing me, and I'm losing my voice. So hopefully I can figure out what's wrong. I will post an update soon. I promise. Oh, have a good night or a good day, everyone. Sorry I sound really gross right now.